Hey everybody, I'm sure that most of us have a drawer like this, just full of cables, a little bit of Apple stuff, speaker for the laptop and different things, cell phones. We got USB cords in here, all different kinds. What is this? This is a microphone for I guess a laptop or whatever. Just a RCA cable to okay, there's all sorts of stuff in here, and when you're looking for something, sometimes you can't find it, you end up buying another one. So I'm going to show you just the best way I have found to sort this stuff out. And I really think it's a good idea, and you can find things really fast. Now, since I'm a coin collector and I get a lot of my coins graded, and they come in these kind of packages, what's really nice is the ones that I don't use, I can use to put these in. Now this is what's so good about this idea. Okay, not only can you put labels on the side, printed off the internet, of what these are. Okay, it have pictures and it has the actual name. You can actually look straight down. You want the tips showing up, so you know that hey, that's for an external hard drive. We got another cable here. I think that's an HD connection. That's a mini, all right, a mini USB, and I think it's labeled here. Okay, it's a micro. All right, so it's AM. AM is this side here, and this is USB 3.0, which is a lot faster than 2.0. All right, and then I also have a charger. It looks like it goes to a Bluetooth headset. So I have that in there too, so that's real fast. And I may want to put a little note in pencil because, I might take it out for good. So anything that looks like it might be removed for good, put in pencil. Now, what I like about this is a customer dropped off an external hard drive to have their recovery put on that, but they did not bring me the cable. I told them, hey, you need to bring the cable because I don't have one. And for some reason, I started cleaning up my cables, and I found one. Gave them a call saying, hey, your backup is done. So that's why it's so important to go ahead and do these. Now over on this one, this is the USB to micro. That's mini. I'm sorry, the USB to mini. I have 90 degree on there because this one right here is 90 degree. All right, but all these, if you look at all these tips here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, at least 9, and there's probably some more in the drawers of the same kind of connector. That's crazy. All right, all the Apple stuff, by chance I have an Apple box. All right, that my old iPod came in. All these would go inside that. And here's some really cool things now. All right, you want to hang on to all your, I don't know what kind of tie straps those are. I use the glue to put all these on the side of the boxes. All right, but you want to hang on these so you can actually tie your cables up. Here's an old drinking bottle that we don't use at all. So all my speaker wire that goes from your laptop to something, or to speakers and all that, can go into that. These are the Crystal Light containers, and really you don't need any label because you can look right through. There's USB. 2 USB. So this is okay, I have this up on I have one right here. Okay, that's USB to another pickup point, and it's called a different thing. It's called USB AM to AF. All right, so I have one in this guy right there. So now over here I have a network line. Expanded network line. Now, normal USB cables, the normal ones that's on printers and stuff like that, you want to hang on to and put in a box. Now, here's some other boxes you could put bigger things in, because actually I didn't set them aside, but let's go over this drawer that I didn't clean out yet. Okay, in here I have a power supply. I have another power supply. Okay, I have another one right here, another power supply. So these guys you want to put in a bigger box. This guy right here, let me tell you something about these. And a lot of my customers, they buy a HP printer. It does not come with a USB cable. If you're replacing another USB printer, hang on to the USB cable. Alright, so this is called the AM on this side, and it goes out to a BM, a USB BM on this side. That's the BM right there. So you want to hang on to these guys and probably put it into a box and label it as such. USB cables for printers if you want to, or something like that. So that's something different that could probably be used on your TV, going out from your CD player or something like that. Another network line right here. So this drawer is going to be pretty well cleaned up. Now, once I clean out my shed there, all those power supplies I have down there are going to go because they're not selling, they're not being used, all those power supplies. So that's going to be cleaned out, and that's where these guys, when they get stacked up, I can look right in there and see that. I can go right in there and see that. Apple, I'll see the apple. If it's not on the side, I can draw an apple. I put the apple on the side so I know it's Apple stuff. Alright, these will be the picture right there. If I use a box like this, I'm going to change the label so I know what's inside, or even a shoe box to put the bigger stuff in. Laptop power supplies, you know, some you're not using, bigger boxes. Keeps your drawers clean. You don't have all that clutter. Really easy to find stuff. So let me know what you think. Alright, take care. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this. You have 5 seconds to do that. So enjoy the rest of the video, and hey, now it's over. So see you back. Be kind to those you meet, and have a nice day. Bye for now.